Hey, it's Lou Bortone, and I want to tell you about a cool new course I'm doing called Finish Your Damn Course. It starts live on Monday, November 11th at 1 p.m. every weekday at 1 p.m. next week, and everything is recorded so you can learn anytime. I'm going to show you my simple process for exactly how to get your course or workshop content recorded so you can get it done, distributed, and monetized. This works for courses, info products, webinars, even books. You can use my cred system anytime to get your content ready to sell. And along with step-by-step guidance from me, you'll receive all kinds of practical bonuses like my complete workbook, my custom GPT course creator for ChatGPT, and my special new course creator app that makes it easier than ever. You get all of that free when you join, and you can use these resources over and over again to create more content more quickly. You'll save time, avoid stress, and discover a much, much better way to create and complete your courses. So join us live starting November 11th and save $200 when you sign up by Monday, November 11th. And you can watch the simple and doable lessons anytime with forever access to the recordings and resources. This course is going to change the game for you because it's going to help you complete your course and get it done and out there ready to sell before Black Friday. Hope to see you there. Thanks.